When I make pasta like this, everyone asks me for the recipe. We started by putting 200 grams of meat already cut into a bowl. Now, add 2 cloves of chopped garlic, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix everything and let marinate for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, heat a frying pan with 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. When it's hot, add the meat and fry until golden brown. Look at that glow, guys. Once you've done that, remove the meat from the pan and put in 2 pieces of chopped onion. Let's fry for a minute. This will give it an amazing taste. In another pan, put water to boil. When it is bubbling, add 170 grams of pasta and a pinch of salt. Let cook for 4 minutes. It is quick. Now, back to the frying pan. Add a tablespoon of sunflower oil, half cut carrot, half yellow pepper, half red pepper and half green pepper, all cut. Mix everything and let the color enter your life. Let's add more. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic, 80 grams of cabbage, salt to taste and mix. It is already making your mouth water, isn't it? Now, supplement with a tablespoon of soy sauce and mix it all again. It's flavor in every little bit. Pour the meat that was reserved and the fried onion back into the skillet. Mix everything very well. We're almost there, guys. Add 120 milliliters of water with a tablespoon of cornstarch diluted over the ingredients and mix well. This will make everything even more creamy. Now, it's the moment of truth. Complete with cooked pasta and mix everything until it becomes homogeneous. Look how beautiful it is. And here it is. Our spaghetti noodles with vegetables and meat are ready to be served. A mouth-watering dish. Did you like this recipe? Then like and follow our page for more amazing tips like this. Bon appetit and see you next time.